friends, in this video we'll learn how to use group by class. So the first question is, what exactly is group by? Group by helps us create a summary of any data. For example, here we have select star from sales orders. This is the table sales orders and it has total 172 rows. In this we can see that East, this occurs multiple times, right? There is a region East, Central, so Central also occurs multiple times, West also occurs multiple times, and I want to see how many units are sold in all East. What I will do is East 95, then I'll go to next East here, okay, 60. So what I'll do is I'll add 90 plus 60 plus 60, right? So that's how I will calculate all the units sold in East. But SQL helps us to do this by using group by. What it will do as a group by is it will filter the rows which we mention under the clause group by. Let's say I write select star from or select. We always have to mention what exactly we want under group. So I want region, comma, units from sales orders, group by what? Whatever I mentioned here, region, C, copy region and paste it here, group by region. But I do not want units, I want sum of units, right? So now what it will do is it will give me region and sum of the units in each region. So let's run this, execute. What happened is it has done the sum of all the units under that region. I can write it as the name, just give it a name. How to give another name to a new column as total units. We can do that by writing as. It gives a different name to any column. So let me run again. That's how it shows. Let's go back to our main data, select star from sales order. Okay, so this is the original data. What happened in this group by is it just pick whatever you mention here in the clause group by region. So it just pick only that region, whatever is mentioned in the clause, and pick those rows and just filter. So first it will do is it will select group. It will separate all the rows which have East, separate them in one side, then it will separate all those who are in Central, and then separate all those who are in West. For example, in a simple terms, there is a class which has students wearing three types of dresses. Some are wearing green, some are wearing yellow, some are wearing red, and the teacher says, okay, group by your dress. So what will happen, immediately students will make three groups. One will be in red, one will be in yellow, and one will be in green. And let's say now the teacher says, okay, group by gender. What will happen, immediately students will separate they will forget their color, they will just separate on the basis of their gender. Let's say teacher says, okay, now separate or group by on basis of your section. So what will happen, let's say class has students have 4 sections. Immediately students will separate into 4 sections. So that is the purpose of group by. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.